What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna go to Harbor Freight and get, I think, a grinder, maybe a like a little sawzall thing, who knows. My boy Matthew whipping it in the Beamer, the new E36, as you guys saw from last video. Just want to let you guys know that we're working on the clothing brand. This is the name Chills Limited. I'll kind of go into, you know, the thought process on the name and everything in another video, but yeah, just be on the lookout for that. I don't know when the website's gonna drop. I'm working on it right now, so maybe mid-November, who knows. But yeah, let's go to Harbor Freight. Matthew does not care. What's going on, guys? Hey. Really, bro? He loves this car. We just got done with Harbor Freight. I got a grinder and some Bondo, so I can Bondo some of the dents in the car before it gets painted, because it is getting painted soon, as you guys all know. Still waiting on the wide body kit. I ordered it October 7th or 6th, and it's still not here. Like, it's October 30th or yeah, 30th, and it's still not here. And it's still in like the Dominican Republic, so I'm not too happy about that, but it is what it is. But now we're heading home, and we're probably gonna get these fenders cut, maybe the bumper on, and maybe the side skirts fitted and cut and on. Who knows? We'll just have to see. Alright guys, so we're currently at McDonald's drive-thru, you know, because we gotta fuel our body. And Matthew's car is smoking in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's smoking.
It's condensation, bro.
It's condensation, yeah. Jeez, it's getting worse.
I said condensation.
I know, it's condensation.
No, evaporated. It's evaporated.
It's evaporated.
Condensation would be
condensation.
The water. That's bad.
Alright, you're pretty dumb. Yeah, and you don't have your window doesn't work?
It's condensating, bro.
Your window doesn't work?
It's E36, no shit, they don't work.
Hey, but this thing's got heated seats and they actually work. And work in AC.
That one, so don't catch my car on fire.
Yeah, I'm not trying to catch on fire. But yeah, so hopefully we can make it home so we can it's smoking so bad. Hopefully we can make it home without any issues so we can cut this 300 up. And I guess maybe we're gonna work on the Beamer again, but you know, we'll just have to see. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the crib. So what actually happened is Matthew's coolant hose busted. So we had to get another coolant hose. But Matthew's about to cut these fenders because he's an OG and he likes working on cars more than me. He's just good at it. So he's about to grind the fender. Hey, put your tongue on it. Put your tongue on it, bro. Alright guys, so we got the fender all cut up to where we want it. And then we folded it all so that under here won't be really like sharp or whatever. And now we're working on cutting the side skirts to fit. This thing's gonna look good. This thing is gonna look so good. And then I need to clean out my wheels, to be honest. Kind of getting dirty. Yeah, but I don't know where the cleaner is, and Haley's dad insisted that I need to clean them with special stuff. So I'm gonna do what he said. Clean him with the stuff he gave me. I just gotta find it, which we've moved 3 times in like 6-7 months, so finding stuff is super hard when you're moving like a bunch and like you're moving all your stuff and like you forget stuff or you misplace it or whatever. But I'm gonna find it and we're gonna clean these wheels. But for right now, I'm gonna finish up on this side and then go to the next side. Alright guys, so we just got this completely done, the wheel back on. This is what it's looking like for wideness on the wheels. It's not too much, but we might have to get a bigger spacer. I'm not sure, depending on how wide the wide body kit comes out. But we got the side skirts on, and oh my gosh, this car looks so much better. It looks like a totally different car with side skirts on. And yeah, now we're gonna go work on the other side, probably Bondo some of this up back in here so that it's all real smooth and clean, and then wait for the wide body. we got this side cut, and then now we just gotta cut. Matthew doing that shit for no reason. Now we just gotta cut slits in it and then fold it up so that, you know, it doesn't rust and adds structural integrity. Right, Matthew? Yeah. All right, guys, so we actually just finished. We wrapped up everything. So we got the side skirts on, which are looking good, looking so sexy. We got this fender cut, a lot of wheel poking out. Whoa. And then we got this fender cut and the side skirts on here. I was thinking about doing the bumper, but I think I'm gonna do that like tomorrow. Well, probably not tomorrow because that's Halloween. Or I guess maybe Halloween for you is, I don't know when I'm uploading this video. It's either gonna be today or tomorrow, which is I guess Halloween. But yeah, so the car is actually getting somewhat close to being done. The bumper needs to go on, and then I need to figure out if I want to put these like lips on or not. Not too sure if I want to do that or not. I'm looking at them right now. Like I kind of want to put them on, but I kind of don't. Like I don't really know, you know, what to do. Comment down below if I should put these lips on. I got the lips right there, bumper. Need to put that thing on, man. Next video, it's finally gonna go on. The wide body kit is still not here. I know a lot of people have been saying that I didn't get it, but I did, I promise. It's just literally, so I got it on the 6th, then I got the tracking on the 18th, and then since the 21st, which was an update saying it was in Dominican Republic, I have not got an update since then. So it's the 30th right now, so basically 9 days, no update. Really kind of getting pissed at the whole situation, but at the same time, it was $325 for the rear. Simon's over here honking, trying to mess up this video. Perks of living with roommates and everything. But yeah, and he's got all the dirt bikes. So if you guys want to see dirt bike content, let me know. I'm actually learning how to ride dirt bikes. Never really rode them before, but I'm learning. So if you guys want to see dirt bike content, comment down below. But yeah, what? You want to get on YouTube, bro? Here, say what's up. But yeah, guys, don't forget, we got the clothing brand dropping soon. Chills Limited. I love it, guys. I'm gonna explain the whole concept behind it all in another video. They're still gonna have the Joker Z shirts and hoodies as well. I'm gonna run like, so for the first drop, it's probably gonna be like these in shirts and hoodies, and then Joker Z in shirts and hoodies. We're just gonna have to see, who knows what we're gonna do. Nice little booty, bro. Nice butt. Ooh. But yeah, guys, go subscribe because you're gonna want to see how this thing looks after it's done. Like I promise you, it's gonna look amazing. I mean, we're completely. What do you think about it? About the idea of what we're doing?
For what?
Don't say what it is, but like the idea, like what I'm doing to the car.
Yeah, it's gonna be freaking awesome, man. I'm telling you, like, I don't know what he told you guys or whatever, but I'm telling you, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be hype.
Yeah, so you should go subscribe because he just said it. And it's not biased towards me at all, right?
No, I don't even know.
Yeah. All right, guys, peace.